Pakistan's legitimate Prime Minister Imran Khan's message to his countrymen is that the nation must stand up for itself, get organized, and peacefully protest, because until there is a revolution of justice in the country, democracy cannot prevail. Imran Khan stressed that the future of Pakistan is in the hands of the people of the country, and if they do not stand up for their rights now, their future generations will also be subjugated by the powerful elite who are holding the nation hostage. Speaking to reporters and his lawyers in Adiala jail, Rawalpindi, Pakistan's legitimate Prime Minister, who has been in arbitrary and politically motivated detention for 459 days, warned against extensions, saying that they do not strengthen institutions but make them weaker. Justice Aminuddin has become the first head of the legitimate government's handpicked a constitutional bench in violation of the principles of judicial independence and the separation of powers. In what may be a world first, journalist Hasnat Malik reported that Justice Aminuddin Khan voted for himself in the selection of the head of the constitutional bench by the Judicial Council. Justice Aminuddin Khan is a judge who previously refused to declare the trial of civilians in military courts as illegal. 86 civilians are currently in military custody and have already been tried in courts where the trials were presided over by colonels and majors. The military government's ministers have repeatedly said that they will try Imran Khan in a military court. The Law Minister and Defense Minister had noise-blocking headphones snapped on as they rushed through half a dozen pieces of important legislation on Monday evening. 6 bills were introduced in and passed by the National Assembly and Senate in record time to extend the tenure of the armed forces chiefs to 5 years, with the possibility of another 5-year extension, and to increase the number of judges in the Islamabad High Court and the Supreme Court. A National Assembly session was adjourned indefinitely on Tuesday after opposition leader Umar Khan's remarks on last night's swift legislation were expunged from the record. Shortly after the session began on Tuesday, Umar Khan, representing the PTI-led opposition, criticized the steamrolling of 6 bills a day ago, calling it a shameful incident and branding the ruling coalition a government of thieves. Donald Trump is set to win the 2024 election and become the 47th president of the United States. Trump delivered his victory speech late Tuesday night, joined by his running mate J.D. Vance. World leaders congratulated the president-elect on his historic victory. Donald Trump is only the second U.S. president to win 2 non-consecutive terms.